How to disable IDM update check. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the Windows search bar and search for registry from here, and click on the registry editor from here and click on yes, and then you just have to simply click on the H key current user from here, and you just have to expand the option, and you just have to simply click on the software and expand the software option and scroll down and search for the download option from here, and after that you have to expand the download manager option also. Then you just have to look for the LST check option. As you can see from here, the LST check, you just have to simply right click on here and modify it, and you just have to change the value data to 25 to 99. As you can see, I have done it, and you just have to simply click on OK and cross the registry editor, and that should do your work. See you on the next video, guys.